Hello everybody, Papa Blue Shirt here. I am going to work in the garden today. It's a beautiful day, about 60 degrees out, and I don't know, whenever there's a nice day like this, it just draws me outside, as I'm sure it does you. But it's beautiful, the sun's shining. Good time to get out, get a little vitamin D on our skin, and I'm going to fix some of the problems in my garden here. You see over here, right in here, kind of a long story, but a couple years ago I was gonna start working on my garden full of dead and dry grass, and I thought, hey, I'll just burn it off. I'll burn it off real nice and be really nice. Not realizing that I had weed cloth underneath it, and so the whole thing started up, and it was running, roaring this way and that way, and I thought it was over. But as I beat it with the rake, my son-in-law ran and got a hose and was able to get it out. Yeah, so ever since that time, I've been very, very leery of burning off stuff. But this here happened down here. This happened when I went through with a lawnmower. In the fall, I just put my lawnmower deck up as high as I could go, and didn't realize that these areas would hit, and it hit the lawnmower and chewed it up. So you try to do something easy and it ends up causing a bunch of work for yourself. But today I'm going to work on that and maybe do some cleaning up here. So let's get going here. Well, there you have it. Got it all done. I'll come back with a hammer and put the rest of those in later. But at least that'll keep the weeds from growing until I can get out here and get some planting done. Alrighty, well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and may the good Lord take a liking to you. See you later.
May the good Lord take a liking to you. Hallelujah. May He spread His blessings on your trail. Hallelujah. May He be your guide anywhere you ride, and be always your host when you're needing Him most.